Our ideal future scenario would be a market dominated by sustainable farms, farms that practice polycropping, that include raising animals in with also growing crops. They grow multiple crops, they cover crop, they compost, they care about soil health, and so they'll let beds rest and have a chance to mix everything together and not deplete the soil. They'll grow non-GMO crops, make sure it's seasonal food, so that they can reduce the amount of fertilizers and pesticides that are needed to grow food. They would also be scattered throughout the United States, so closer to larger cities so that food doesn't have to travel as far to make it to the consumers. And then people would be encouraged to start their own gardens or join CSA's, community-supported agriculture, and also community gardens where they can go work and grow vegetables and take some of the food home with them. But this would take a lot of work from everybody. People would need to change the way that they eat. They would need to reduce the amount of animal products that they consume and also the amount of processed food that they eat. And they would also need to adopt a local seasonal diet that is grown sustainably. So it's really going to take a lot of work from consumers and also from the growers of food to make this change.